It's day 5. Day 5 of quitting.
Ay,
ba-
di na.
Ay, wait. May nakita kong ano. Customer, oh. Okay na.
Ako to.
It's the day nga. Gakwit na tayo. Dahil, wala man nabi kita ginapilit. Mayan man.
Nani. Iba talaga ang Pilipinas.
Yeah. Okay.
Age.
Wa?
Lagi na lang at public high. Minimum wage pa.
Oh. Ayo, grabe. Tiyo, magdi ka mo. Speed. Nagadali mo.
Ano nga siya, niyakatin?
One shawarma and
Wow.
soda.
Lalaki ng boses.
Long day? MPH doctor's appointment,
Close?
then shopping.
Yeah.
medical care. Understand, total 200. I'll pay by card.
Ma'am or sir, I don't know. You are very, very rich.
Really? You just closed the window when I'm about to pay?
Uh-oh. Pero yung boses niya ay lalaki. What?
Hello, Garus. Ito po yung mukha. Weird naman.
Oh my god. Ano nang mga 2 or 3 more mistake? Pero yung boses niya ay lalaki. For real. Ano ba yan? Gina-troll. Takot game nga ra. Gina-troll. Ang instinct.
Long day on the road. One shawarma and soda. Sure, that'll be 200. Just a moment, it'll be ready. Alright, I'll wait.
Okay. You're safe, sir. That's good.
Split-second lunches, color-keyed disposable
Just
dishes,
lock off
all
ako.
part of the instant society of tomorrow.
Bastos.
Just lock off ka naman tala ako
Fingertip shopping will be one
TV.
of the many homemakers' conveniences.
Decide ko nabing
This
gakwit
video
tinabi kita.
console will be channeled into the store of her choice. What the wife selects on her console.
Hello and welcome to Mr. Gungus's Game of the Day. Today we are going to be playing Spot the Stranger. Come on, let's go.
Spot the stranger. That one, I don't know ito. Yes, I knew it from the start.
Finally, some more. You saved my night.
Next customer. Pila 1 AM na lang. Ala, Friday na pala. Oh my god, mag 2 AM.
Hello, yan siya.
Okay, let's go. Nicole, did you live? Are you dead?
Oh, dito ako. Dito ako. Dito ako. Mukha.
Oh wait, it's still good. Ano oras yun eh?
2 shawarma, please. One for my buddy. Got it.
Buddy?
300 for both.
Body daw. Hello. Wa pa. We're still lived. Sir, wala ka namang body.
Yan mo, nakibot ako sa ano. Wala, bakit mo
You
ginano?
think that was funny, huh?
Sabi na body. Oh god! Ah, Nicole!
Bakit mo ginano yun?
I-
Then,
I don't know. 2 AM, let's go. Let's leave.
wait lang.
Do not look. I'm scared.
Naano ako, na-distempt ako mag-look.
No. Do not look.
Okay na.
Yeah. Oh my god, Inspector! Next customer.
Ano siya dito sa binit-binit? Hindi ba natatakot yung mga customer magbili kapag may nakaganito sa binit ng ref natin?
Yeah.
And 25% na lang.
I did something. I'm out. I'm out! I'm leaving. I did not do anything. It's not me. It's not me. Totally, it's not me.
I work at the gas station nearby.
Uh-huh.
Give me 1 shawarma extra sauce. Sure
What-
thing, 150.
What if we don't have extra sauce? Oh. I'm scared. I think isa pang mali. Dead na tayo. Oh my god. He's an anomaly. Go. Ha? Oops. Check mo. At i-night vision mo.
You close right when I walk up. Great service, really.
Tingnan ko lang.
At nakita ko yung red light. Ano naman? Basta kung imaw, nakikita ko the red light.
Naman si James Mura.
I think tapos siya ng clearance. May nakita kung tapos na daw the clearance.
1 for boon.
Here, fast.
Eh, nakatibaw mo
Dilst
na
FA.
Oh. Ibaw man the language. Yes.
You sure?
Yes, from the bottom of my heart.
Pass, as you said.
Alin, what? What happened?
No, that's why I
God.
touch it.
Ama, Nicole. Na-spook lang ako ay. I got spooked.
Di ako ginhadlok na.
I think depende ito ron.
Ginhadlok ka man na kapag
Yeah.
gaano ka.
I think, oh, amat.
Hmm.
I did something bad. And I don't know what it is.
Sabi niya did something bad if you don't know what it is.
I think I did something bad. Oh, God.
Hi at 1 shawarma.
I'm out. Goodbye, Nicole.
Training is nothing without food.
Goodbye.
No.
Una ako sa'yo.
No.
Alright, That will be 150.
Ay, ano ko siya?
Sir, what is that? Ano yun? Ano yung tawag sa phobia? Ngayon niya may mga holes? Trypophobia? Trypophobia? Basta phobia. Trypophobia, I think, or phobia.
Yeah. Something like that eh. May ganyan yung friend ko. Ew.
Ugh. God, nasty pa. Ano ba yan? Nasaan yung event niya with the bang? I think namalas lang kami ni Jess. God.
Close the door.
Yeah.
Close the window.
Where is the bang? 250 na yung money ko. Oh my
What,
God.
you close the window before I eat? How can a warrior train
Hala,
without
Nico,
shawarma?
gimboit na imong
This is a
fried,
Kaya nga.
gimboit na.
Pansin siya eh.
Sabi na, ana lang ko, no. Nasaan mo daw with the bang?
Ito yung with the bang, yung kamay niya.
Ito naman siya.
2 shawarma and soda can. Not grilled, please.
Anomaly siya,
Sure, that would be 350.
Pero ano mangyari kung isarado natin?
Kaya na. Ano siya?
Gusto ko makita kung gaano kataas si Mag-agto.
Eh, di servan mo siya.
Eh di, isarado ko. Ay, wait. Anomaly, no? Anomaly, gali. I will serve from the shaft. Curious ako eh. Ano ang mangyayari kapag serve natin? Wala na tayong meat, Nicole.
Ay, sorry, wait lang.
We don't have meat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ito na yun. Ha?
I think not. Pili kayo mga tupa.
Oh my god. I think super gutom si ma'am.
Soda pa daw.
Oh, soda pagali. Para kanyo kayo do isa.
Hakon.
Wow.
Ay,
Ay.
para sa nagdoppelganger. Doppelganger siya.
Kami doppelganger, Mau.
Here's your shawarma.
Oo, ito na yun. This is the end,
My
Nicole.
friend's waiting outside.
This is the end. Oh! Hindi pa. Akala ko the end. Oh my god, Nicole, ako mga balbuni, nagsarakaw. Ah. Gusto ko with the bang. Ano ba? With the bang. Yeah. Sir, gaano ka tall ka ba?
6-footer.
Hello?
One shawarma, please.
Tingnan ko kung ano. Ayun, ano natin.
Late
research
dinner?
natin na, ano lang.
Let's see.
For me, yes. My kids already
I-close mo yung door,
ate,
hindi
but I
na sa
skipped.
anomaly.
Can't cook after today.
Para
That's
makita natin yun.
150.
Close mo na.
Okay, Nico, this is the end. This is the end of the road na.
Wonderful kids are fed. I only wanted something small
Tagok,
for
kimo Nicola.
myself.
Niya ako sing likod.
And
Ay.
even that I can't get. What a joke.
Ay.
Look. Look.